Hi guys, welcome to Kim's Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how to add push notification to your Cordova app using OneSignal, so stay tuned. So OneSignal is a free service that allows us to send push notification to users easily. So to get started, visit onesignal.com, click on sign up to create an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login to log into my account. So once you log into your account, it's going to show list of your app/website right here. In your case, you might have none, so click on this button right here to add a new app. So I'm going to give it an app name. In this case, I'm going to give it Hello World. And we are going to select the platform. In this case, we want to send push notification to Android platform, so I'll click on Android right here and I'll click on next. So in order to send push notification to Android device, you need a Firebase server key and a Firebase sender ID. So to get this Firebase server key and sender ID, you need to create a Firebase account. So I'm going to open a new tab right here. I'm going to open the Firebase website. So right now I just opened the Firebase website. I'm going to click on go to console because I already have an account. So if you don't have an account, you are going to click on get started to create an account right here. So right now we are in the Firebase dashboard. So I'm going to click on this Hello World project that I created earlier. So if you don't have a project, click on this add project to create a new project. Okay, right now it has opened the project right here. To get the sender ID and the server key, click on this setting icon right here. Click on project setting. So we are now in the project settings. Click on cloud messaging right here, and right here you should find your key. So I'm going to click on this icon to copy the server key, and I'm going to paste it right here. Then I'll click on this to copy the sender ID, and I'll paste it right here, and I'll click on next. So right now it's asking for the SDK I want to make use of. In this case, you are making use of Cordova, so I'm going to click on Cordova right here, and I'll click on next. So in order to continue, we have to have at least one subscriber. So right now we are going to install the plugin in our Cordova app. Then we are going to register a subscriber, and we are going to come back to this page. So I'm going to open the documentation. I'll say OneSignal. I'll open OneSignal again. Click on documentation right here. So right now under this setup, I'm going to click on mobile push quick start, and I'm going to select Cordova because we are making use of Cordova, and I'm going to look for the command to install the plugin. So I'm going to copy this command right here, and I'm going to open our Cordova project. Okay guys, so right now I have a Hello World Cordova project right here. So I'm going to install the plugin in this project. So I'm going to open the terminal, and I'm going to paste the command, and I'll hit enter to install the plugin. So right now just install the plugin. The next step is to make use of the JavaScript code. So I'm going to copy the JavaScript code right here. Then I'm going to open the index.js. Actually, you can make use of any JS file. So I'll paste the code right here. So the next step is to add our app ID. I'll head back to the dashboard right here. Then I'll get the app ID right here, and I'm going to paste it right here. Before I run the app, I'm going to change this to alert instead of console log, so that I'll be able to see the data returned. So right now I'm going to run the app, and I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, we have the app running on my device right now. So I'm going to click on this button right here to check for a new subscriber. So right now we have a new user subscribed to the app. So I'm going to click on save right here, and we can send a push message to the app. So I'll click on this message right here to send a push message. So I'll click on this new push button right here. So I'm going to add a title for the push message. I'll add Hello World as a title, and the message itself is going to be hi everyone. So I'm going to click on confirm button right here to send the push notification. So I'm going to click on send message, but before I send the message, I'm going to exit the app. I'll click on send. And right now we should have our notification. So I'm going to swipe this down, and right now, as you can see, we have the notification, hello world, hi everyone. I'm going to click on it, and right now it has opened the app showing us the data. So you can actually pull some information from these data, like you can get the message, get the sender ID, notification ID, and so on and so forth. Actually, you can send message without making use of the dashboard using the REST API. So that'll be all on how to add push notification to your Cordova app. If you find the video helpful, please like and share, and also if you're not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.